Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the video player color on your Kajabi blog posts. This is a great way to make sure your video players match your brand identity and create a more cohesive look across your site. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, open the website editor for the site where your blog post is published. If you're using a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in to access your site's backend. Now that you're in, look for the website option in the left-hand menu and click on it. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Design. This is where all your site's visual customization tools live, and it's the gateway to adjusting your video player colors. Under the Design tab, direct your attention to the top right side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Customize. Click on it to open the customization interface where you can fine-tune specific elements of your site's appearance. This is where the real magic happens when it comes to personalizing your Kajabi pages. Once you're on the customization page, look at the top part of your screen beside the device preview. You'll notice a drop-down menu, click on it, and from the options presented, select Blog Post. This ensures that any changes you make will apply specifically to your blog post pages rather than your entire website, giving you precise control over where your branding appears. Now focus on the left navigation menu. You'll see an option called Blog Post Body. Click on it to expand the settings for this section. Under Blog Post Body, scroll down until you see the section labeled Style Overrides. This is where Kajabi allows you to customize specific design elements that override the default styling. Within Style Overrides, you'll find the hex color code picker beside the video player option. Click on this color picker to open your palette. Choose the color that matches your brand or the aesthetic you're going for. Once you've selected your desired color, make sure to click Save to apply the changes to your blog post video players. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.